baile nos provocar. A vela dela vem pro baile.
Make her car slam and duplicate it. Go to Effect Search, Radial Vision. Adjust according to your claim. Go to Object, choose middle one. Make adjustment full. Go to Effect, choose Solution. Adjust according to your clip. Go to Object, choose middle one. Speed, 0 glow, 50 dot size, 100, rage, 100 intensity, 0 0. Adjust effects like me. Now add glow. Glow 100 size 25. Done. You can change the color also